how to use CapCut Pro for free. And a lot of us know that before you can use CapCut Pro, you have to subscribe and pay for that feature before you can use it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut Pro for free, because there's a lot of features, there's a lot of things that you can do with CapCut, and all of us know that CapCut is the best editing app so far that we all know. Now welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut Pro for free. And a lot of know, before you can use CapCut Pro, you have to pay for the version, or you have to subscribe and upgrade before you can be able to use CapCut Pro for free. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do that for free without paying a dime. First of all, if you don't have CapCut in your phone, go to your Play Store. This is my Play Store. Open it. When you open your Play Store, you come to this place. Come to search. This is search down here. This is search down here. You come there, you type CapCut. So look at it here. You tap on that CapCut. When you tap on the CapCut, you go for the second one. You go for the second one, which is this. This is the CapCut. I already have it, and they're telling me to just update my CapCut. So because of this, I'm going to update it. Let's wait for it to update. So when you are done, you come to your phone browser. This is my CapCut here. You tap on it, and it's going to open and bring you to this place. You take on new project. Then I'm going to look for what I want to use to make this video. Let's say I want to use this picture to make this video, and I'm going to click on add. Then I'm tapping on add. So as you can see, my picture is here, and the auto remover is on Pro. So what will I do? I'm going to click on it. Click on the auto remover. It says auto remover is upgraded. It says auto remover is more accurate. You can now remove background from image featuring a lot of things, and I will say try it now. Then tell it. Then see, as you can see, click on this mark good by your right, and it's going to be added. Let's play it and see. As you can see, it has already auto removed. So now the next thing I want to do now is come back, come to style. This is a picture. It's a picture. So I'm going to go to style. I'm going to go to retouch. I'm going to go to retouch. Then click on retouch. It says allow CapCut to recognize your facial and body feature for retouching. Tell it to allowed. Then if you want to retouch your nose, I will tell it I want to retouch in all my face. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to allow it to open on his own. So now, as I am done, let me download this picture that I just removed background. Click on the export. As you can see, it is being downloaded on my phone. So let's go and see it. Open. Come to my picture. Come to my gallery. Did you see that you can use this? So did you see? Tell it done. Done. This is how you can use CapCut Pro for free. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.